Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Goals. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for getting the more videos and new updates. So let's start. Here we have to study about the elements of measurement system, which is related to IM part 1. Here the measurement system has a 5 element such as first primary sensing element, second variable conversion element, then third variable manipulation element, then fourth data transmission element, then fifth data presentation element. So here this is the block diagram which shows the 5 elements, which is important in its own way. Here first of all, the quantity of any object has to be measured. Then first primary sensing element which detects the signal, then it passes to variable conversion element where the signal converted into suitable form, then passes to manipulation element where it's modified and passes to data transmission element. The data transmission element transmits the data to data presentation element where the data would be controlled, and its final stage where we get output in suitable form. So let's start by one elements in detail understanding. First primary sensing element. So as you can know that the quantity of any instrument has to be measured and it detected by primary sensing element. The signals which we get from primary sensing element is in the analogous electric form which detects by transducer. The output which we get from primary sensing element which passes to the variable conversion element is in displacement or a voltage variable. That's why this stage is also called the detector transducer stage. Next one is the variable conversion elements, which plays a two important role. Here it converts the output signal of a primary sensing element into a suitable form. It may be in a mechanical or the electrical form, but only the one condition is not to change the information or the data. Here it preserves the data in original condition. That's the element is also known as the signal conditioning element. It is also one of the part of signal conditioning element. So for that the example we can say that it is a analog to digital converter which converts the analog signal into a digital. So the third one element of measurement system, that is a variable manipulation element. Before that the signal enters in variable manipulation element, it passes from variable conversion element, that is also called the intermediate transducer stage. Here the signal is to be modified or has to be changed in their variable into some desired numeric range form, but only one condition, that the signal is to be preserved. Only some boosting or else say amplification and filtering of signal by removing unwanted signal, that is noise, has to be done here in this element. That's why it is also signal called the signal conditioning process. So we can say that both the variable conversion element and the variable manipulation element has a crucial role in signal conditioning process and to pass the signal from them. After that the signal from the variable manipulation element, it enters into data transmission element, which is the fourth one element where it transmits the data from one element to the another elements, which has a main function and they are separated from each other. So for the example such as to transmit the data from any plant to any control room by any means, such as the cable wires, walkie-talkie phones, or any pipelines, or from computers or any means of communication, etc. Here the one of the most important examples such as the telemetry system that is used in the space to get the data from the satellites to space research center or the space research control room Hence the next signal from the data transmission element, it moves into the fifth element, that is the data presentation or the data control element, which is the final stage of the measurement system, where the data is to be monitored, controlled, record or the analyzed. Here the signal output we get, which is in the final stage. From this the entire measurement we get the output signal in the digital form from the analog form.